Hello, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaden and this is Kaden James Beauty. Yes, I have changed the title 8 times this year. Not really 8 times, I'm being over dramatic. But I can't decide, I'm very indecisive. So we're gonna stick with Kaden James Beauty. Kaden James Beauty. Sounds so fucking gay. Okay, let's get I got some new products. I need to figure out what concealer I like better today. Okay, so let's get started. Basically, Ulta had a sale. It's 21 days of beauty. You know, it's like 21 days of sales, 50% off sales and stuff. So I got a few new things for us to try today. I am on a natural makeup journey. As a boy living in a small town, small southern town in Florida, I cannot just wear makeup. I'm not going to just wear makeup. It's not what I want to do. I don't want to just wear makeup places. But I do, but it's low-key. It's like It CC Cream, really natural concealer. I don't have any concealer on right now, but I do have on a little bit It CC Cream on my face. And that's the vibe I like to go for, you know, just a clean, fresh look, and I'll put bronzer around the perimeter, whatever, la-di-da. Make it nice, make it cute. Recently, Tarte came out with a creamy version of the Tarte Shape Tape. I really like Tarte Shape Tape, but it really dries my skin out. So today we're going to try the Tarte Creamy Shape Tape. I also got 2 Clinique concealers. I think they're new. It's called the Clinique Even Better. I got 2 shades. They were 50% off, so I got 2 of them to make 1. We're probably going to use Sand today. That's this shade. This one might be a little dark right now because I'm not quite that tan yet. I like to use my concealers a little bit darker than my skin tone. That way it covers up my blue under eyes. It really just looks a lot more natural when it is a darker shade. Another part of my natural makeup journey that I've been searching for is a highlighter that doesn't look like a highlighter. So far, the only thing that I can wear in public and you can't tell I have on a highlighter, I just look like I'm glowing, is the Revlon Skin Light. It doesn't have that chunky honky glitter and stuff in it. I've never seen this before, I don't know why, but Tarte has a glow wand, and it's a Tarte Shape Tape glow wand, and it's supposed to be a highlighter. 4 ways to glow over Shape Tape concealer alone for no makeup magic. Mixed with moisturizer or primer on high points of the face, collarbones, and décolletage. So basically, it's supposed to make your skin glow without looking like you're shiny or shimmery. It's supposed to be natural. I also wanted a new beauty blender to try these with, so I got the Camo Concealer Sponge. It says best with camo concealers, but guess what, beach? We're not using camo concealers today. We are, however, going to use America's #1 concealer brand, Tarte. Okay, stop. You're getting extra. Bring it back down. A good example of natural concealer for me is one that you can lay on, blend in really good, and it does not cake. A bad example is, for example, the e.l.f. Camo Concealer, the original one with the black lid. It's very drying. If you use it, you have to use a lot of moisturizer and have to use like barely a drop and really blend it down. So I'm hoping this one will work a little bit better in that department. There is kind of a theme right now in makeup with natural, kind of creamy, dewy finishes. So that's right up my alley because my face is dry. In a natural concealer, I just really expect it to be lightweight. Let me see, I wrote notes. I want it to dry down good. I don't need to set it with powder because that kind of cakes it up. I don't want it to settle in my lines. I have really small, fine lines, and if I don't do my concealer right, it's just not good. A good shade match is really important. Again, I like to do a darker shade and then it seems to blend in with my skin a lot better. It's got to be lightweight and easy to blend. Less is more when it comes to applying concealer, especially for a natural look. Let me see if I can zoom in real quick and show you this Nars. Okay, we're zoomed in all the way. This is the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer. This is the travel version, and it is pretty great. I've been sleeping on this my whole life, actually. I just discovered it probably about a month or 2 ago. I mean, I didn't just discover it, but I just bought it for the first time. And I got shade Ginger. It's medium ginger. When I zoom all the way in on this camera, like all the way in, it kind of messes up my autofocus a little bit, so sorry. But this is medium ginger. What I do is I don't go crazy. All right, so what I do is I go down like this, don't go into that crease. I'm just gonna do this one eye just so you can see for example, because I'm gonna have to take this off and it's gonna be a pain in my ass. So I take that and I blend it down, but I don't go into the crease. See the creases? I don't know if you can see, but there's creases right here, and I kind of avoid those at first and kind of work my way down. And this area of my face is always kind of red, so I kind of blend over that a little bit the best I can. And then I barely go up like this into that crease. And then, let me open this. I need this. And I dab that down just to pick up some excess. Nice. I like this sponge. It feels really good. Wow, this sponge feels good. I like it. That's a nice, natural, radiant finish. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take this off and I'm gonna come back and we are going to try on the rest of the new concealers I got today. I'll probably do one on one eye, one on the other eye, and then we can swatch all the shades to see what happens. I am back with no concealer on. I'm gonna re-moisturize real quick. I didn't really bring any moisturizer in here. I'll just use some glassy primer and that'll kind of help add some moisture back. I want to put some of this on my cheeks anyways. I love the glassy primer. Whenever I run out, I'm gonna have to buy some more. I love it so much. I guess we can do some swatches real quick. I'm really excited to swatch the creamy shape tape, the Tarte creamy shape tape. This is shade 35N. This is medium. This is the shade I wear in this. I didn't grab the regular version, so we're just gonna swatch this and have nothing to compare it to. It looks exactly the same pretty much. I think the lid is inverted if I'm not mistaken. This is shiny on the other one, I think. Let's do it open. First open. Oh, that was satisfying. Oh, that's a good shade match, I think. That is the ultra creamy. That blends down nice on my hand. Oh, I like that. I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. Okay. Let's swatch these two, the Cliniques. This is the Clinique Even Better All Over Concealer Eraser. We have Deep Natural and Sand, which is WN94, which is Warm Neutral, and CN90, which is Cool Neutral. I got one on both ends of the spectrum. Looks like bullets. This is a good size concealer. This is the Clinique Even Better. Oh, look at that doe foot. Look at the doe foot. Look at the doe foot. Oh my God, love that. Love her. All right, let's swatch. Oh yeah, that's dark. That's definitely way too dark and way too warm for right now, this time of year. Maybe later on in the time of year. If this is too dark, this might be too dark all the time. This might be way too dark for me, actually. Might have to use that for a contour or a bronzer. Let's try the cool version, the cool shade of the same shade. Oh yeah, that's much better. Much better. Oh, that's still a little dark, ain't it? Wow, that's still dark. So the Shape Tape seems to be the best match for my skin, obviously. I want to swatch one more thing, which is the Double Duty Beauty Shape Tape Glow Wand. It's in shade Dream. Wait. Dream. Can you see it, or am I just blind? Is it blurry? Dream? Is it blurry? Can you see? Can you read it? Okay, so we're opening it. This is the travel size because I'm cheap and I wanted to only spend $10. Wow, okay, so this is a little flat doe foot. It's a little, wow! It's a little flat doe foot. See? Love that. So let's do it right here on my hand. Oh, okay, that seems like it's gonna be a good shade match. This is a bad angle. Oh, that blends. Oh, that's gonna be nice. Look, it's that's gonna be so nice. Let's go ahead and do that. Let's go ahead and try this. This is the Shape Tape Glow Wand going in. We're just gonna do it right here, like we normally do our highlighter, I guess. I'll go ahead and do it on both sides because I only have one of these to try. I'm gonna try blending it with my finger first. Wow, it seems to have a little bit of coverage too, which is good because it matches perfect on my skin tone. Y'all, oh, it's over. It's over with, sis. Honey, it is over. Look at that. Oh my God. Oh! This is exciting. I did not wet my sponge, but it's okay. Wow. Look at... I'm truly shook. And I can't really make emotions right now because my lips are so chapped. Fun fact, you guys want to know something crazy? My lips were fine. I've made it all winter without having chapped lips. And the other day it got a little cold at work. And I drank an Aquafina water because I'm out of Zephyr Hills and I usually bring Zephyr Hills to work. But we sell Aquafina at work. And I drank one and my lips dried up within 10 minutes. I swear, within 10 minutes. And ever since then, they've been in pain and they've been dry and I can't smile or laugh without cracking it. But they swell though. Let's go ahead and try the Tarte creamy. I want to try it on this eye. Now if it's anything like its predecessor, it's going to have a lot of coverage, so I'm just going to put a little bit. We'll put some on the outside too, just to test its creaminess, because this is a good area to test creamy concealers on me because this gets really dry with certain concealers. Let's try our finger first. Oh, that blends out nice. Oh, that blends out really nice. Oh, this might be my new go-to. Wow, this is pretty. And the shade match couldn't be more spot on. That's pretty. Let's add a little bit more coverage to it. And just for shits and giggles, let's take our glow wand and put a little dab of that right in the corner. Oh. Somebody's been trying to call out of work, but that's not work. That's Joshua.
Hey.
Come here.
Yeah.
Filming a video. You're in it. Say hello.
Hello.
Okay, love you. Bye. So we love that. That's pretty. And the glow wand added a little bit of radiance to it. I can see myself putting a little bit of powder right here, but overall it's pretty good. The coverage is there. It's still a little blue. Oh my god, my battery's dying too. Let me stop recording just in case my battery dies. Okay guys, real quick before my battery dies and before Josh comes home. This is the CN90, Cool Neutral 90 in the Clinique. I love this doe foot. We're gonna put a little bit right here. Okay, alright. This feels nice. Okay, this is some good concealer. I can already tell. Oh my gosh, it's thin. So thin. Oh, wow. Wow. And that shade is also nice. Let's put a little bit more right here. That's nice concealer. So that was the concealers I wanted to try. I think out of the two new ones, I think right now I'm gonna go with the Tarte. But that Clinique, it's nice too. It's just a little bit more sheer. I don't know, man. I don't know. Let me do a wear test. I'll wear it for a few hours. Okay, I just tried to film this intro outside and that was a mistake. Okay, so on this side we have the Clinique. It's the Cool Neutral. It did pretty good, but it's kind of sheer. This side is the Ultra Creamy Tarte Shape Tape. It also did very good. It stayed a little bit more full coverage, but it did settle in my fine lines on both sides just a little bit. Now, I did put a little bit of Laura Mercier powder on both sides, but very lightly, and I didn't go all the way up underneath here. I just stayed right here. Just for shits and giggles, I want to try to put on the darker shade of the Clinique, the warm, the Even Better All Over Concealer. We'll just put it right there. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, yeah, no, never mind. That's too dark. Too dark. Way too dark. The lighter one is the Ultra Creamy, and the darker one is the original. But they're the same shade. So, make it make sense? I don't know. I don't understand. All right, well, until next time. Love you guys.